voices, man. They're getting to me. We're finally here. I'm about to get my meds, all right? We're not getting straight into the episode yet. It's not out yet. It's not out. It's not out. But the ending's out right now. That will keep me at bay for now. I don't know. The voices are getting to me. I'm hearing too many things at the same time. I think I'm going crazy. And this thumbnail for ending 6 on Mappa's channel does not help at all. Bro, Denji also looking like he bit crazy too. This is gonna be a good day. Bless my ears and eyes. I know how you are, Chainsaw Man. Let's see what you got in store today, alright? Oh, started off like I was going in a tunnel or some shit like that. Was like, okay, but dude, it's like I'm in an arcade. This is like taking me back to like Wreck-It Ralph or some shit like that. Ooh, this is different, and I like how Chainsaw Man does that. We switching it up for this one, and already the visuals are just out of whack. But you can tell that from the end of last episode, this is what the episode's gonna be like. It's gonna be just confusion, trapped in this infinity room or some shit like that. But let's bro, I can get jiggy with this. This beat got me going like. Yeah, I love this. Ooh, ooh, give me some more. Oh. Ooh! 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 I don't know how to say. Ooh! That's my only reaction. Ooh! Oh my god! Give me some more. Oh my god, bro! Look at all of them. Oh, and then it just goes. It's building up. I can feel it. I can feel it. It's building up. Oh, what is that? This infinity room, this episode is about to be crazy with this infinity shit, man. Wow, I like this opening already. Wow, let's give it. All right, come on. Yeah. Ooh. And everything's bloody now. Some sort of massacre happened, bruh. Yo, bro. Are these all? These are all manga panels, aren't they? Okay. Ooh. Denji gonna go all out this episode? What are you saying? Oh, I like that, bro. It gives me like Tokyo Revengers type opening vibes. I don't know. Uh-huh. And the little guitar tap at the end. Ah, yeah. I know when I see pretty or hear pretty. You can hear pretty. I heard pretty there. It just gets you in the groove, and it's like, it sets you up. It's like, shit, bro. Shit happened, and now, like, it's a celebration song in a way. Like, you go into the club and some shit, and this comes down, and or the arcade, and you all just vibing with your friends. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.